Introducing the Torino, a fully automatic vending facility for a one-machine solution to all of your hot drink requirements, producing coffee, tea and chocolate. The internal cup dropper holds up to 230 cups, with 6 canisters for chocolate, milk powder, sugar, tea, instant coffee and decaf coffee. The drink menu is very comprehensive. The progress of drink production is shown on the screen. When the process is complete, remove your drink and enjoy. The menu offers a variety of customizable options with each drink, including strength, sugar and milk. The Torino also creates a quick code for your customised drink that can be used in the future. The Torino, a high output, high capacity vending facility, available as a tabletop machine or with a base cabinet.